Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to apply shape style to a text box in Microsoft Word to create eye-catching and professional designs. Whether you are designing reports, posters, thumbnails, or creative documents, using built-in shape style can instantly improve your layout. Instead of manually formatting colors, outline, and effects, you will discover how to use ready-made shape style to style your text boxes quickly and professionally. So let's get started. Now we want to add or apply the shape style to a text box. At first, insert the text box. Go to the insert menu, click the text box option. Now I am create a text box, click the draw text box option. Now I draw a text box, you can write anything. Now I am write some text. You can increase the text size. Then we can see here a simple text box. Now you want to apply shape effect, select the text box, go to the format menu. We can see here the shape fill color like a shape. Here shape outline, you can add outline or remove. Now I am remove this. Otherwise you can added any effect or style. Now I am make the text box more than eye catching. Go to the preset option, make the text box 3D or look like perfectly. We can see here a 3D shape like this text box. You can change the color of the text box, otherwise you can change the effect. Now I make the preset normal. You can make the glow soft edge of this text box easily. Now we can see we apply shape effect to text box easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.